Okay, it's Monday, May 6th, 2013. We made it through the CRTs. Now we're back to normal work. So here's your objectives for today. Common Core, 21st Century Learning Skills and Themes, content objectives, and your language objectives. You're going to analyze and define academic vocabulary. You're going to read an informational text article, and then you're going to also interpret the meaning of the article by answering what are called text-dependent questions in our Moodle systems. Let's go ahead and take a look at, first of all, our word of the week. So our word of the week is linger. Definition: to stay somewhere beyond the usual or expected time. My sentence is: Jose lingered around Vaughn after the bell rang. And there's the thinking map that shows everything about linger, all the associated words. So basically linger means to stay somewhere longer than you're supposed to. Like a good example of lingering around is when at 2 o'clock after the bell rings and it's time to go home and kids stay around the hall and the teachers have to tell you to leave the building. That's a good example of lingering around. So that's your word of the week. Let's take a look at the stories we're going to learn about today. Okay, first story is about how one school in New York City, PS 244, has all vegetarian meals. There's no meat at all available in the cafeteria of the school in New York City. All 400 kids have to have vegetarian food, and there's some article information about a group called PETA, and I'll talk to you guys about that, what they do, and apparently it's popular at this school in New York City. Here's your definition of here's your words to define: vegetarian, gravitating, animal welfare, commended, critical thinking challenge, and some questions about the article. Next story: would you pay $100,000 for an egg? So it's a massive fossil egg, apparently laid back in the 17th century or a long time ago, and it's sold at auction for $101,813. So we're going to learn about that huge egg and why it's so special. Here's your vocabulary words: fossilized, extinct, auction, ovum, critical thinking challenge, and some questions. And then you're going to look at see where Madagascar is, the place where the egg came from, thinking map of the word commend, and then your glossary is at the end like it always is. So let's take a look at Moodle again. So you have today word of the week. Here's your lesson, 2 videos, and then when you're done, take your daily quiz. So that's our activities for the day.